Welcome back to Woodworking Zone, where we explore the world of woodworking and all its wonders. Today, we're delving into a question that many enthusiasts ponder. Is woodworking stressful? Hey there, fellow woodworkers. And in today's video, we're going to dive deep into the topic of stress in woodworking. Now, before we get into it, let me ask you something. Have you ever felt stressed while working on a woodworking project? Maybe you've experienced the pressure of meeting a deadline, the frustration of a project not turning out as planned, or the anxiety of making a mistake that feels irreversible. Woodworking can be an incredibly rewarding hobby or profession, but it's not without its challenges. From intricate joinery to precise measurements, there are countless factors that can contribute to feelings of stress. However, despite these challenges, many woodworkers find that the act of creating something with their hands can actually be quite therapeutic.
For me, woodworking is my escape from the stresses of everyday life. When I'm in my workshop, it's just me, the wood, and my tools. It's incredibly calming.
Sure, there are moments of frustration. But overcoming those challenges and seeing the finished product makes it all worth it in the end.
It seems that while woodworking can indeed be stressful at times, the sense of accomplishment and fulfillment that comes from creating something beautiful often outweighs the negatives. So, is woodworking stressful? The answer is, it depends. Like any craft or hobby, there will always be moments of frustration and stress. But for many, the joy of working with wood and the satisfaction of bringing an idea to life far outweigh any challenges along the way. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out Woodworking Zone for more content. Until next time, happy woodworking. Subscribe to Woodworking Zone.